Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook search not working. So if Facebook search isn't working, try these fixes. So first, close Facebook app completely. So swipe it up, then swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. Next, go to your settings, scroll down and go to general. Scroll down a bit, go to iPhone storage. Once you're here, scroll down and look for Facebook. Tap on it. Next, tap Offload App to free up storage used by the app. So tap on it, then tap Offload App again to confirm the action. So once Reinstall App appears, tap on it to place back your data and wait for it to finish.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish simple step-by-step tutorials showing you how to use your favorite apps, its settings, and various features. And so if you're finding these tutorials useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button below to also show some support and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming up every single day. Thank you guys for watching and let's continue.
Once done, open Facebook again and see if that fixed the issue. Next, you can try to update Facebook app. So go to App Store or Play Store and search for Facebook. So install the latest version. So if you see an update button in here, click on that to update the app. So once updated, open Facebook again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.